Welcome to Breakthrough with Lou, Daybreak Edition. Time to rise and shine with Coach Lou. If you can have the best day ever, why wouldn't you? You're just seconds away from just that. Your best day ever. Get ready to be inspired, grow, and show the world who you are. Grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever makes you happy, and let's get ready to chat. With no further ado, Coach Lou will be with you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's Coach Lou.
Good morning, guys. Coach Lou here. Welcome you to the all-new Breakthrough with Lou Daybreak Edition. Hey, guys, would you like to wake up and be able to step up and take control of your day, your life, and basically your entire destiny? That is exactly what we're doing here with Daybreak Edition. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I'm going to help jumpstart your day, locked and loaded for success at 6 a.m. sharp. Yes, we'll be live at 6 a.m. sharp Eastern Standard Time. And you might say, I'm not up then. Or maybe I'm in a different time zone than you, Coach. Or I'm already working at 6 a.m. Don't worry. You'll be able to catch all the replays at xlr8life.com/Daybreak Edition. Okay, just go on Accelerate Life and go to Daybreak Edition or CoachLou.com. Or you can catch me on the podcast and listen if you're in the car or so forth on Spreaker, Spotify, Apple iTunes, wherever you get your podcasts, I should be there. So search me up. Would love to connect with you. Looking forward to connecting with you and really launching each day with that energy, that zest for life that's going to get you to your next level. Okay, and not to sound cheesy or corny, I'm looking to really connect with you and help you make this be the best year ever. If you could have the best year ever, why wouldn't you? Okay, your success starts right here on Daybreak with Coach Lou. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday morning, 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to catch all of my live shows, guys, and events at lou.live if there's ever any schedule changes or new shows coming up, which we do have several, to stay up to date on all the cutting-edge tools that are coming up, cutting-edge news that really you can use, not the media hype, not the frenzy, not the negativity, but some news you can really use. What can you put to work for you today? Yes, remember, your success starts right here on Daybreak with Coach Lou, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 a.m. The shows are officially kicking off. We've got about 9 of them that you can go back and listen to. The official kickoff is April 2nd, I believe. Let me just jump on that real quick. Yes, April 2nd. So we're kicking it off in the month of April. What a perfect time to do it in spring. So new shows will be all coming out April 2nd, and it's all going to refresh live new material from there. So let's do this. Join this cutting edge community that's growing. And I'm not talking about just in size. I'm talking about growing into your best selves. Be part of a community of growth. Be part of positivity. Be part of owning it and stepping up. This is not a wah-wah cry session. This is not a, oh, poor us, or what horrible things are going on in the world. This is like, let's acknowledge what we have challenge-wise. Let's step up and let's make it the best year ever. Are you with me on this? Absolutely. Come on, join me. I am looking forward to this journey with you. Live with faith, energy, passion, and always live whose dream? Your dream. Ciao for now. I'll see you on the next episode, guys. Have an absolutely amazing day, and let's get ready to celebrate daybreaks. When that sun comes up, let's get ready to go. Ciao for now. Have an amazing day.
Ready to take it to the next level? Tune in to xlr8life.com for our live shows, encore presentations, life-changing courses, and live coaching with Coach Lou himself. As Coach Lou always says, live with faith, energy, love, passion, and always live your dream.